In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download an app you wanna set up as your new default. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. After entering settings, scroll to click apps available here. Then scroll again and click on default apps. Don't worry, I tested it before recording. I can assure you it will work. Because here you can click on any of those sections you wanna manage. Tap on an app you wanna apply and simply go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!